So you guys can see this profile backlink is instant approved now, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is a do follow no follow backlink, but I can show you the second URL. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. Okay, so you guys can see we have created profile backlink, profile do follow backlink. Okay guys, hello guys, my name is Parve Adam and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create our profile backlink, and the backlink is going to do follow. Okay, so you guys can see the website name is kmander.com.iogear.com. Okay, so I can provide this URL on the description section where you guys can find website URL. Okay, so this is a website interface and I can going to show you the website authority. So you guys can see this website having 71 domain rating, and you guys can analyze website traffic, total traffic. So this website having 11.11k total visitors, and the country ranking. So you guys can see the mostly traffic from USA and India, Vietnam, Pakistan and Russia. So you guys can want to attract from that kind of countries, and you guys can want to drive a Google crawler. You guys can want to increase your website crawler from that kind of countries. So you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so in this website you guys can found two backlink. One was is going to no follow, and one was going to do follow. Okay, so you guys can see there is option to you guys have to click for the create account button. Once you guys can click, there is a option you guys have to fill your information, and for there you guys have to add your website, your login email ID. Then you guys have to verify your captcha, and you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then you guys have to click for the sign up button. Once you guys can complete this process, then you guys have to check your email ID. This website can send you the verification email 3:36 a.m. Yeah, I guess we have received verification email. You can access, then you guys have to confirm verification. So our verification is confirmed now. So now first we have to restart. Then you guys can see, so there is an option to we can click for the our website, and this is our landing page URL. There is option you guys have to click for the edit profile, and there you guys have to update your bio. Okay, so I can going to copy my description, website description from my website. So there you guys have to add your locations, Canada, and you guys have to add there, you guys have to add a one URL on a web about section, and the one URL is a about website URL section. Okay, once you guys can complete these things, then you guys have to update, and then you guys have to update your image, profile image. So we have completed, then you guys have to save now, and there edit thumbnail, change email, password, set performance. Yeah, so everything is updated now. So I can going to show you in an incognito tab, so you guys can see this profile backlink is instant approved now, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is a do follow no follow backlink, but I can show you the second URL. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. Okay, so you guys can see we have created profile backlink, profile do follow backlink. Okay guys, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to help me something, want to motivate, or if I'm doing something valuable for your journey, so you guys have to hit the subscribe button and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay guys, so I hope you guys are doing well, and I can also provide this URL or a description section where you guys have to found. Okay, so okay guys, bye bye, take care.